And we are very glad to be joined by our guest, Professor Ruchita Berry. She is Consultant Africa Centre MP IDSA. Thank you very much, ma'am, for joining us. To begin with, if you could just outline the significance of the jetty services and setting up of airstrip, especially in the security domain for both countries.
Yeah, see, this is a very important event which has taken place today. India and Mauritius are very close partners for a very long time, but today's inauguration of the jetty and these airstrip signifies closer maritime cooperation between India and Mauritius. Mauritius is an island country in the Indian Ocean region, and India has, in the last 10 years, projected the Indian Ocean region as an important area of cooperation, particularly the African littoral countries. And the policy is driven by the vision of Prime Minister Modi of Sagar, which is security and growth for all. So therefore, this inauguration of this airstrip and the jetty would definitely enhance the maritime security of Mauritius as a whole. It will increase the connectivity between the main island in Mauritius with Agalega. So that will facilitate the people's movement between the islands. So it is both a development boost to the Mauritians and also a significant boost to their own maritime security.
The two leaders, in fact, in the last 6 months have had more than 4 meetings, rather 5th meetings. And India has reiterated that Mauritius occupies a very significant place when it comes to India's neighbourhood first policy. So do you see this development in terms of maritime security a sort of paradigm shift as far as the relationship between the two are concerned and the alignment as far as the Indian Ocean region is concerned?
See, first of all, you must remember that this is not a new development. This was promised by Prime Minister Modi in 2015 during his visit to Mauritius. That was the time when the announcement of the launch of this project had taken place. And now India has completed, as Prime Minister Modi said, this is Modi ka promise, which he has delivered. So obviously there is an improvement in the relationship between the two countries. India already says that Mauritius is a key partner in among the African littoral countries, and with this particular launch and inauguration, the relationship has definitely moved one step higher.
Okay, the Mauritius also, in fact, has adopted the Jan Aushadhi scheme. So how do you see this?
See, health has been an important area of concern both for India and for the larger global south, especially after the COVID pandemic. Health issues have been something of a concern. So India has been trying to support the other countries in the global south through its policies, and the Jan Aushadhi schemes provides an opportunity to the Mauritian people to get linked up with India in terms of easier access to medicines and other equipment from India. And this would definitely be a boost to the deficit of medicines within Mauritius and the larger global south.
Right, not to forget the recent launch of RuPay card and UPI there as well.
We are already cooperating in terms of improving the digital infrastructure of Mauritius, and so digital infrastructure, health issues, health concerns, connectivity, maritime security. There's a whole bouquet of issues in which India and Mauritius are now cooperating.
Right.
So obviously that means the relationship is moving one step further.
Absolutely. On that note, thank you very much, Ms. Berry, for joining us and putting this in perspective. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
and still to come on DT India News Hour. First up, on the Israel-Hamas conflict.